Welcome to Linux Help. Today we gonna see how to install Netdata on Oracle Linux 8.8. Netdata is a open source system performance and health monitoring application for Unix-like systems such as Linux, FreeBSD and macOS that correct several metrics, visualize them, and allow you to monitor system operations. There are several plugins available for monitoring the current system status, running application, and service, including MySQL, MariaDB database server. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to install the following dependency by using the following command. Next, to download and install Netdata by using script. Give yes. Again give yes. Again give yes. Again give yes. Again give yes. Next, allow Netdata default port to pass through firewall using the following command. The default port number of Netdata is 9999. Once reload the firewall by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the status of Netdata by using the following command. It is inactive. Next, I am going to start the data service by using the following command. Again, check the status. It is active and running. Open the browser. Search that IP with the port number. This is the dashboard of Netdata. This is a process to install Netdata on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.